Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by making the device ready and initiating the update. Connect power and a reliable Wi-Fi network first. Once connected, check storage. Free at least 5 GB by offloading videos or apps because insufficient space causes pauses. Then open Settings, tap General, then Software Update. If you see Resume, tap it. Otherwise, choose Download and Install. This step starts the transfer and verification phases, so don't lock the phone until the progress bar advances past the first third. Once the download completes, the phone moves into verification and preparation. This can be slower than download, so be patient. If the updater pauses, first toggle airplane mode off, then on to force a network handshake, and make sure Wi-Fi is connected. Next, reopen Settings and try Resume again. For reliability, plug into power and avoid intensive apps. Background activity can delay installation. If it still stalls during verification, a soft restart often clears temporary locks and allows the installer to continue. When the installer finishes, your device will reboot. Let it complete without interruption until you reach the lock or home screen. After boot, confirm the new iOS version under Settings, General, About. Adjust any settings reset by the update and sign back into iCloud or apps if prompted. If the update repeatedly fails or the device is stuck, use Finder or iTunes on a computer to perform a recovery restore, or contact Apple support. This is the key troubleshooting step if standard resume and soft restarts don't fix the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.